You and your kids can enjoy your favorite cartoons from 90s. Just search on nickreboot.com and you can continuously stream 90s cartoons for free. Next on the list is futureme.org. This website will let you send letters to yourself in the future. Isn't that amazing? Try to play YouTube videos through Safari. You will find out that you can still listen to them with your phone screen turned off. If you are using Google.com to search for information for school essays, you might want to stop that. Instead, use scholar.google.com. You will find more relevant information right away. Check out for yourself televisor.com. Just enter a show you like and it will recommend new shows to watch, and it will show you where to find them online. You can get a free Redbox movie by typing in Devon when it asks for a promo code. While at Walgreens, just type in DEV.WAG for a second time. If you wanna write essays and bibliographies like a pro, we got you covered. All you need to do is just get the information from Wikipedia, and cite the sources listed at the bottom. Wasn't that helpful? If you want to access Pandora, Hulu or Netflix outside the United States, you just have to download the Chrome or Firefox extension called Media Hint. See what it does. Open an incognito tab in your browser and sign into Pandora to get unlimited skips. Try this and enjoy unlimited skips. Want to get more relevant information? Try to replace the N in a Wikipedia link with simple to strip away the complex and mostly irrelevant information on the page. Easy. To listen to a song on YouTube on repeat without having to keep pressing replay at the end, add repeat between www.youtube and com. No need to keep on using the replay button on your favorite songs. Do you miss games and Nintendo? On SNESfun.com you can play almost every single old Nintendo game. Let's get it on. The /OLA unblocker extension on Google Chrome will allow you to access to UK version of Netflix, thus unlocking many more shows and movies. TenMinuteMail.com gives you a fake email address so you don't have to use your own personal email address when signing up for things. It is perfect for keeping away spam emails. On AccountKiller.com you can instantly remove all of your personal data from websites you don't want to have it. Did you find it useful? If you have many different online accounts, Namecheck.com you can see every website where your username has been used. You might want to have this.